Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As activity occurs in Teams, a red numbered icon appears over the buttons in the app bar where new activity exists you haven't read yet. To read a new chat message, click the chat button in the app bar, then select the chat to view its contents to the right. To read a new channel post, click the Teams button in the app bar, then select the channel to view its contents to the right. To mark a post or message as unread, hover over it, click the More Options ellipsis to its right, and select the Mark as Unread command from the menu. You can react to a post or message to visually express an emotional response to anyone who can view the post or message. For example, you can like a post, which adds the like icon, which is a thumbs up icon, next to the post or message. To react to a post or message, hover over it, and then select one of the reactions in the toolbar that appears. The reaction icon appears in the upper right corner of the post or message, along with a number that shows the number of members who have applied that same reaction to it. To change or remove an applied reaction, hover over it, and then select a different reaction, or select the same reaction again to remove it. To see who applied a reaction to the post or message, hover over the desired reaction in the post. You can save posts or messages to more easily find them later. To save a post or message, hover over it, click the More Options ellipsis to the right of it, and select the Save This Message command from the menu. To view your saved posts and messages, click your profile picture and then select Saved from the list. The saved pane that appears at the left side of the window shows your saved posts and messages in chronological order, with the most recently saved at the top. You can see information about the saved activity in the pane, including its location, meaning its team and channel names, or chat for a chat message, the name and profile picture of the person who created the post or message, and the first two lines of text. To jump directly to the original post or message in Teams, click it in the saved pane. To unsave a saved post or message, click the bookmark badge to the right of the activity in the saved pane. Alternatively, hover over the saved post or message in its original location in Teams, click the More Options ellipsis, and then select the Unsave This Message command from the menu. Unlike posts in channels, there are some unique features that apply only to chat messages in Teams. For example, for chat messages only, to see if a chat message is sent or read, look at the icon next to it. A seen icon, which looks like an eye, means all recipients have viewed it. The sent icon, which is a check mark, indicates that it has been sent but might not have been read by everyone. To see who has seen a chat message in a group chat, hover over the chat message, click the More Options ellipsis, and then click the Read By command in the menu that appears to see a list of who read it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.